Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Lopez and today we're gonna combine some of the things that you've learned so far. So on previous tutorials you've learned how to draw an eye and how to use different mark making techniques to create your own style. Today you're gonna merge these two things and create your own artwork showing a drawing of an eye using your own mark making techniques. Before you start your work, you need four things. You need to prepare your space, get your materials, make up a playlist if you want to listen to music, and set up some time. The first thing that you need is a sketch of an eye. You've already drawn one before, so if you want, you can use the same one. If you want to trace it, the easiest way to do it is by placing it in front of a window and putting your paper on top. That way it will show with the light and you will be able to see the lines that you've done before. Just go over it with them with a pencil. This is just a sketch because you're gonna be doing your own marks. Once you have your sketch of an eye, you're gonna use some mark making techniques to go over it. You can use any of them that you want. You've done a lot of them before. I think you did between 15 and 20. You can use some of them, you can mix them together, you can create new ones. Depending on the marks that you use, it will show a different message. So first I would suggest try to think, what message do you want to show? How are you feeling? You want to show something dark or something happy or something really fun? It's up to you. Depending on that, you will choose what mark. So if you want to use that mark that you did with lolly sticks, use that. If you want to do one with cutouts, do that. It's up to you what marks to use. If you want to use just pencil, you can do that as well. I did two examples to show you this time. One just using text, using cutouts from newspapers and cutouts from books, and then writing things on top of it, writing pieces of songs, lyrics from songs. I think this shows a very different way. You can see how you can use text as a mark making technique. The other one that I did was just using some biro, some pen, and some painting on top, dripping some paint and then going over with the pen again to highlight some aspects of the eye. So think about what do you want to achieve, have a look at my examples, and remember that you don't have to do the things from the example. You can use any mark making techniques. This is your work, it's your message, so just have fun and try to do your best. And that's it. Thank you for watching.